We finished the ruler and the reference, and we see the degree of the blade. For example, now it's at 90, present degree 90. If we want 45, we just press in 45, enter, and then press move. Then the blade will tilting automatically. Become 45 degree, it will stop. And if you want 90 degree, we just press 90, enter, and then press move, it will go back automatically. The blade, and here is the raise or lower down of the blade. Same, we press the number we want. For example, we cut 25 mm thickness panels, and we can set it to 35. Enter, press, move. Then you can see the blade will go down.